you've ever thought about working remotely and traveling the world, well, let me tell you, it's not just one big vacation. I'm Sherita Janielle, Shift's Browser first ever Chief Nomad Officer. Yes, I'm a digital nomad and a marketing consultant, and I'm here to share tips about staying efficient and organized while traveling and living your best nomad life.
I'm all packed, so let's get ready to take flight. Can't wait to get to Malaga, Spain. I chose this area, one, because there's a lot of expats. This region is called Costa del Sol, and it's known for its beautiful weather and great temperatures throughout the year. I found an amazing Airbnb, and I even found a gym to join, so I'm looking forward to exploring all that Malaga has to offer.
Took a day trip to Marbella. It's beautiful here. It's a resort town, you know.
There are a lot of great beachside towns to visit from Malaga, Spain. You can hop on a tour or drive up and down the coast. If you get all the way up to Gibraltar, you can take a ferry to the northern part of Africa. There's a lot to do, whether it's a day trip or if you want to spend a weekend away.
It's a rainy day. I didn't have any food. I went to the grocery store that first time I got here, and then I had a little getaway in Marbella, and I never went and got any more food. So I was running low, and it was raining so hard. This morning, I didn't actually want to leave the house, but it finally let up. So I got groceries, got a lot of things. Excited about cooking. And there's all these little markets in my neighborhood that I didn't realize. I walk right past them and during the night and yeah, so I love shopping in Europe. I don't want to sound like America isn't great, but it's something about the food, the quality, the freshness. Like they had just baked the bread. It was so good. All right, later. More to come later.
So I work as a digital marketing consultant. I have different clients. I also create content and have a lifestyle website. I love that Shift allows me to stay organized, and I've set up my workspaces since I'm in Malaga. I have one for personal, one for my business, one for my clients, and I even have one for everything that I do in Spain. It allows me to just keep everything separate as I need, but also toggle back and forth to be more efficient. I love that I'm able to install little extensions like this Time Savvy, which allows me to make sure I'm checking my time correctly because I'm working on different time zones. I love that the Shift browser has all the apps integrated right into the browser, so I can easily get to all of the programs that I use on a regular basis, and my tabs can stay focused on the things that I need to search, and it keeps everything clean and efficient. I also love the bookmark bar. It allows me to keep certain bookmarks for certain workspaces, which is even another layer of organization. Shift Browser has really thought of it all, and it has really helped me stay not just efficient for this trip, but in life in general.
So I'm actually on my way to go meet up with one of my followers. She saw I was in town, and we're gonna have a drink. So I mean, this is what I love about building a community. You never know where you're gonna find people. It is Saturday morning, my last week Oh my goodness. I'm headed to a little meetup that a contact that I met organized. She's called, I think it's called Her Expat Life. So, you know, connect with some ladies if I come back. And I'm just gonna have a great weekend. Like, I've been balancing my work and like building a community. I know I'm only here for a month, but I think it's so important to just focus on friendships, connections, because it makes your travel so much more valuable and more worthwhile. So hopefully this is nice. I'm sure it will be. All right, check in with you later.
So it is my last night out in Malaga. I've connected with some great girls from the expat community that I've connected to while I'm here, and we're gonna enjoy the night out. Malaga has a great nightlife scene. It's really safe. There are tons of bars and restaurants, cocktails to enjoy. I actually went to a jazz concert in the Teatro. It was so beautiful, and it was a great way to spend my last evening in Malaga. So that's a wrap on Malaga, Spain. I have had an amazing time. I've connected with some wonderful ladies. I've stayed productive, got a lot done, and saw this beautiful area. Thanks so much, Shift. Stay tuned to see where I'm up to next.